Well, this question, I think a fair bit of imagination does help. Let's look at a simple structure. So it's a 6 into 6 into 6 box. So you have something like this. Let's look at the length and the breadth for now. Okay, let me make it more square. Like 6 into 6. Let me divide it into 6 zones. 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think roughly it's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 2. All right. This will be the zone here. Okay, so you have 1 into 1 into 4 boxes. Let me start laying them down and let's see what we reach at. So if you're going to take the first one, it's going to look like this. We can actually place, let's say we place 3, 4 boxes. It'll look like this. Still, we're left with places for, this is the first layer, right? We have 2 more points here. Still 1 into 1 to 4, you can place 2 more boxes like this, right? And we can actually place 2 more here also. So at the first very layer, you're placing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 2 more. That's 7 boxes, right? And if you see, do we have more space? No. Are we getting this right? Oh yeah, there are 8 boxes, my bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. There are 8 boxes that you're putting on like the first layer 1, and then you're leaving a square space of 2 into 2 out. This is the best packing, so you can see. And this you can do 6 times because this is just one, like depth 1 of it, and this you can do it this 6 times. So 6 of that, that's 48. And in the end, what you're left with is a really packed box which is only this square space left. So what you're left with this, so an area like this, 2 into 2, and this is like 6 like tall, right? How many more can we fill? Let's check that. Let's see how many more we can fill. So now that, since you know that these are 1 into 1 boxes, you can actually fill 4 more, and they're going to reach to this side. They're going to be till 4, and then eventually after this, what you're left with is a 2 cross 2 box that has a height of 2, right? That has a height of 2 because the boxes are of height 4. And you can't fill at this point, you realize you can't fill any more boxes because you can't really break a brick. That's not allowed. And going by this piece of imagination, you reach to this figure. You reach this figure 52, and that is the answer. Let me know if you have any doubts. Thank you.